What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Ray back with another cold ass motherfucking video. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up a digital product the right way and actually start selling it and making money off it. Now I'm going to just open my phone and show y'all. This is a soft push digital product store I got right here. Ended up doing about 25 grand, all organic. That's just pure profit. That's pure profit at the end of the day. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to actually set up the product, how I structure the actual product, and then how to actually set it up on Shopify so you can actually deliver it to your customers automatically. There's no manual delivery. If somebody orders, it goes straight to them. So make sure you guys like, comment, and sub. It's gonna be a lot of sauce. I haven't spit too much game on digital products, but at the end of the day, this is pure profit. That's how you wanna kind of look at it. You sell any type of product when it comes to digital products, as long as it solves some type of problem and actually makes a change / difference in someone's life or someone's business, they will definitely go ahead and buy it. So the product we'll be setting up today is an ebook. It's gonna be 2 ebooks actually for my friend Casper. He runs a pretty big clothing brand and has a personal brand. Now this ebook he's just gonna price at $1 for both ebooks because he wants to give back to the community. So that's how we're gonna essentially go ahead and set this up. I kind of brushed up both the ebooks and made them sound a little bit better in terms of like just the structure and how it looked. Information still the same, it's just, you know, the spacing and all that. Use GPT. If you want some of my prompts, let me know. I got you on that. Let's get rid of that. You need pictures for the actual product. So you actually need to have pictures for the digital product you're using. So what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to go on file right here, click on download. You got to make sure you download these as PDFs. So click file right here. And where is it? Download again, and in PDF. Make sure you got the PDFs. I'm gonna go ahead and download the actual pictures as well, and then we're gonna go on Shopify and set up the actual product and the automatic delivery that people get when they do purchase the product. All right, next step is to actually hop on Shopify and go on the actual Shopify App Store. Once you're on the Shopify App Store, you wanna search up this app called Sky Pilot. Here, let me type that out, Sky Pilot, let it load. It's gonna look like this little paper plane. Click that, click install, you let that download. Now, once you have Sky Pilot downloaded, you want to make sure you have the actual product set up. Now, we don't have the product set up yet, so I'm going to walk you guys through that. So all you want to do is click on products right here on Shopify, click on add product. Now, for example, this is the first ebook. We're going to Command C that. Let me just move this right here, paste the name in there. Believe we downloaded the pictures. Which one was it? Let me just paste both. Tips on being a success. Oh, perfect. I got that there. So we're literally just pricing this at $1 just to give back to the community. So you want to make sure you price that at $1 right there. We got like compare a price of like 54.99. Get rid of both of these, and then it's literally just going to say ebooks, and that's pretty simple, straight to the point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up both products, then I'm going to show you guys how to integrate it to Sky Pilot. All right, once you have both products set up, you want to hop into Sky Pilot right here, click on products, and let's say you go on how to grow on social media. You want to upload your file there. You just drag and drop the file. Pretty simple, it just adds the file in there. Yeah, it's literally a drag and drop when it comes to the actual files. Let me refresh this and add the other digital product there. Somehow oh, there it is. I'm just tripping. This one is tips for being a successful 6 to 7 figure entrepreneur. Go right here, drag and drop, pretty simple, straight to the point. Then you want to hop into settings. Most people usually end up getting monthly plan for it. Which one? I think I'm on the growth one, but for this one, we'll just do light. I'm just gonna go ahead and get that plan. It has a 7-day free trial, so you can test it out, but this works across any type of digital product pretty much. Like it does not matter. Okay, we're on a plan. You want to go on settings. Okay, content delivery. You want to turn off display powered by Sky Pilot so people don't see that you're using Sky Pilot. It kind of speaks for itself. Checkout integration. Really nothing else here. Email and security. You can pretty much add your logo here. It's up to you. I'll do that after. I'm just gonna walk you guys through this pretty quickly. Not really much. Just make sure you have the pro plan, because then if you run out, you're kind of cooked. Let's go here. So one more thing I forgot. Make sure you put mark as fulfilled. So the moment like it automatically delivers and fulfills, it's just gonna fulfill itself. If that kind of makes sense. By the way, guys, I'm tired. Been up all day. at the gym. I'm locked in. Ray's fucking locked in, and he's still making a YouTube video. So if you have not liked this fucking video, make sure you go fucking like. Anyways, like I was saying, make sure you add the mark is fulfilled, and you're good to go in terms of the product being delivered. So I'm just gonna set it up on the website and show you guys real quick. So let me hop on the actual theme. Go here. So this is a clothing brand website, but he's doing this to show love to his community. So I'm gonna add like a collection section. So where do I go? Brain fart, right? Brain fart. What was this popular product? We'll just duplicate this. Go up here. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. You want to click remove all products and you just select collection. I just put ebook right here. Heading ebooks, and fairly simple, straight to the point. I just need to price that one. Let me just click save right here. So pretty simple. If someone adds to cart, you add to cart, you check out, and it'll automatically deliver to your email. As long as you upload those files, they're in there, you're gonna be good to go. So let me just price that there and we should be good. But when it comes to digital products, the biggest thing is also keeping in mind that you set up the product page properly. There's a way you can do custom product pages. So if you guys do want help on that, comment down. I can show you how to make custom product pages / landing pages. It's not that hard. You can do it through Shopify. You don't have to buy a bullshit app. You can just do it within Shopify. The Shopify AI is absolutely cracked. That should be helping me a lot. It codes a lot for me too now. I don't gotta sit down and do no HTML, Java bullshit no more. Shopify does the coding for me. So yeah, based off this, I think we should be good. I'm gonna walk you guys through a couple more game points and we'll take it from there. Now this was a quick basic setup on how to actually set up a digital product and how it actually delivers to people. If you guys want a more in-depth rundown on how to actually market digital products and push them out with even your personal brand or starting a personal brand, let me know. Make sure you guys are subbed because Ray's about to drop a lot of game. I'm gonna drop game on how I even scaled my own personal brand. Honestly, I don't give a fuck. At the end of the day, everything's in this brain. I could give out the secrets, but a lot of people might not even be able to implement. But the ones that implement, they get it. They get to that chicken bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, sub, and Ray's out. Be ready for the next video. Peace.